Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Have you been looking to light up your life a little bit? Well, these TORCHSTAR LED light bulbs have helped me to do that.
These A19 light bulbs are great because they're easy to install. I like how it has the natural white color. These particular ones are the natural white, so it gives you plenty of light. For example, here in our bathroom, whenever I need to put on my makeup. And since it comes in a pack of 6, it works out great because in other places where I needed a light bulb, like for example here in the living room lamp, it works great. Whenever you turn on the light, it gives you plenty of light to be able to read by. And look how it warms up and brightens the room. It just makes it so cozy.
So if you're ready to shed a little light on the subject, I definitely recommend these, especially since they're equivalent to the 60 watt. Plus it says it saves over 85% on your electricity bill, so who doesn't want that? And that is just my point of view.